I decided to put my favorite press-on nails to the test and compare them with an off-brand nail that I'm pretty sure we're all tempted to grab while at the gas station. I prepped my nails the same to give them an equal chance. I also used the glue that came in each of the boxes of the nails. Now you can see this off-brand glue is giving me fits. It wouldn't come out. Once it came out, it was all over my fingers. I finally got them applied and moved on to the red aspen ones, which I put on my right most dominant hand. A few things that I really love about red aspen nails is that they are designed to fit your fingers, thicker at the tip and thinner at the cuticle. Plus they come in multiple sizes to give you the best fit. Nails are on and the countdown begins. Let's see if the red aspen nails are actually that much better than off-brand nails. Day 6, I got my first pop off on the off-brand hand opening nail. The second pop off was when I was scratching Wyatt's back, and the third pop off was when I was doing up my seatbelt on the airplane. You can see the red aspen ones are still going strong. Day 8, I got my fourth pop off on my off-brand hand while I was brushing my hair. You can see that red aspen is still going strong. Days 9 and 10, I didn't get any more pop offs from either hand, and I ended up getting a manicure at the resort that we were staying at. They did a really good job with a bottom coat, 2 colors of paint, and a top coat, but they only lasted 2 hours before they were smudged and looked like this. After 19 days, I ended up just removing my red aspen nails so I could get a color change. So you tell me, are red aspen nails worth it?